Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So how can you guaranteed increase the amount of sales you're getting from your Shopify store today? So and the way to do this is by increasing the amount of contact options that you have available on your website. So a lot of people are simply not ready to buy yet at that moment directly from your website, but they are ready to speak with somebody and talk with someone about the product options that you have, and then from there you're able to close them into a sale. So as you can see on this website, for example, there are a lot of different options that people have to contact this website. So here in the header, there's a phone number with a picture of one of the employees here. Here in the top bar, there's a phone number as well, I think, or in this case not, but there can be as well. Here there's a call button you can press on and it right away opens the phone. Also a request, a callback button is very powerful. Then we have the live chat here, of course, that people can send a message to. So that's all very solid. I would say you can even place more call options and other contact options there as well. Here there's another call button and an email button. You can essentially not have too many contact options, in my opinion, from what I've seen over the years of selling all types of different products online. It never hurts to have a lot of contact options on your website, because some people, like the people that are ready to buy, will still just buy from you right away, right? They just press on add to cart and they'll proceed to the checkout and just check out. But for a lot of other people that are not ready to buy yet, if you wouldn't have displayed these options for them to contact you, they would have just left your website and you would have never heard from them again. While when they're on the fence and they're able to send you a message or they're able to call you up, then from there you're able to convert them from a fence sitter to a closed customer, right? So the way to do this is honestly very simple. You can hire like a coder on Upwork that can, for $50 probably, implement all these different call buttons and request a callback button, live chat on your website. If you already have some options and you think this might not be necessary for you, I can almost guarantee that adding more will just increase your sales. And even if you're selling a bit more cheaper products, a bit more low ticket products, you might think that it's not needed. But even with those products, it's 100% worth it, because we're still dealing with the same human brain, right? The same psychology applies, where those people still need some comfort to buy from you. They might need a little bit less comfort to buy a $50 product versus a $500 or a $5,000 product, but still this principle applies the same way. So I honestly highly recommend any web shop out there to just apply this strategy. Just fill your website with contact options and you will make more sales. Now, of course, when those people call you up, you still need to close them. So if you're not great yet at closing, then I would highly recommend to study sales, study psychology, and simply just practice, right? Just practice closing those leads. Once you're like a veteran at this, you should be able to close around 1/3 of all your leads. So for every 3 calls that you make, you'll make on average 1 extra order when you get your close rate to that level. So hope that made sense. I think it's pretty straightforward. You just need to go ahead and apply this and start closing your leads essentially. So let me know, of course, if you have any questions about this. You can place a comment. I read all the comments myself, so I will get back to you. Also, there's a link in the description talking a little bit about how we help e-commerce stores to grow their sales. If you have a problem making e-commerce sales, feel free to check it out. I don't really care if you click it or not. I just hope you got a ton of value out of this video and you just start filling your website with tons of contact options. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.